Welcome back. So we're going to go ahead and start now. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers to Red Button Journal. Today, we're going to go to Rural Hill. And that's why I can't look at you. I have to look at the road in the Rural Hill neighborhood. Oh, I better turn my fan on or I'll have overheating problems here. Is that Rural Hill there?
Where?
Right there where I should have turned? Oh, I'll turn right here.
It's not Rural Hill. Rural Hill is way down Long Way. It's not Rural Hill. This is supposed to be Long Road.
Oh, this is Long Road. Oh, well, Long Road's where I wanted to go.
Yeah. See,
Oh, I thought I was going to Rural Hill.
No, I'm wondering now here you said Rural Hill because I didn't know where you want to go.
Oh, but you said the next place was Rural Hill. I said, what's the next town? I said, it doesn't show on here.
Road. I said Long Road. Remember?
No, you said Rural Hill.
No, Tom.
Yeah, you did.
No. I told the next place would be Long Road. Maybe because we're talking about Rural Hill when we were over the other place. And
Okay.
I was saying...
I think you misspoke. We don't have it on recording, so...
I'm sorry, we don't have it on recording. I'm sure.
I'm sure, too.
I'm sure I said Long Road.
Okay. Well, people...
Misleading the people.
Misleading the people. People, sorry about that. We're really going to... We're really going to Long Road. Except we're on a side road in Long Road. And I go down by the sea in Long Road. And just see what we see. You know?
I never come down on this road.
Well, we're going to see what we have over here.
It doesn't seem like it go far. It doesn't seem like it go anywhere.
No, it doesn't go very far over here. But we're going to take it anyway. And then we'll circle back. Well, that's a big home there, that White House. Wow.
You can bet they use it for... And there are houses behind there too. There are houses behind. Yeah.
Oh, I don't even know how to get to those. I don't have any idea how to get to those.
Because only...
You can only walk to some of those. Yeah, just turn around right here. And turn around in somebody's yard.
You can go down the other direction.
Yeah.
See?
They're doing some rebuilding there, some remodeling or whatever.
This one is wall off and then there is some more behind it.
Mm-hmm. It's just a fishing village with a couple houses, so like the ones you see there. So
you're going straight down there?
Yeah. Yeah, that was the problem. I was looking at my map with my glasses off because I'm trying to do more driving than looking.
This one look like it goes further.
Oh, now look at the color of that one.
That's a nice color.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Boats, bills. Oh, they're nice.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's a big home there. Wow.
Oh, nice. It's on here.
Yeah, it's nice back here.
Oh, big house.
Again, people, we go through Long Road. Yeah, that road really, that really is nice over there. We go through Long Road, you know, from time to time, and we never see these houses back here because we just stay on the main. So it's kind of fun to go get off the beaten track and take these back roads, you know.
Look at the ocean.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's see here. Let's see. I'm going to stay on this road here. Because that doesn't really pass much before it gets
maybe
back
that
to...
one bring you back on the main.
It does, but it doesn't pass much before it gets there.
Oh, this is a nice one.
Oh, here's a beach villa. Look, they put a new roof on it.
Okay, beach, a villa.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Serendipity
Well,
beach villa.
be a nice place to stay sometime.
Yeah.
You know, and then you look back over there and you see the high mountain peaks.
Yeah.
Just so high. I mean, they're just so close to us.
Jesus.
Ocean and mountains right next to each other. Oh, look at that tree back up in there with the pink on it. Maybe you can see it here in a second.
This house here.
I don't think you
This tree here.
There.
Oh, I saw, yeah, I see.
Now you can
Yeah,
see
over
it.
there, yeah.
Now you can see it real good from the camera.
Yeah,
you know.
you have the white to it.
What kind of tree is that, I wonder?
You know, if I even knew the name, I don't remember the name of it now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, maybe one of our viewers.
Will tell us. Yeah.
There's a couple of our viewers that are really into that sort of thing and will always tell us, you know, stuff like that. So.
Mood is bad. Oh, and see a road, something coming from up that way. A vehicle coming from that way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So,
there's the road goes up there. And we could stay on that and keep going on this, I think, is what we're going to do today. That's a cute little home.
Yeah. It's nice and quiet around here.
Mm-hmm. It's quiet around here.
That house is really...
Okay, now that road would take us back to the main.
Which road?
That road, it looks like it goes past that house and something.
I don't
Maybe
think
not.
so. No.
No.
Mm-mm.
Oh, it's up here a little bit. Oh, man. Something got to my sinuses.
Yeah, we got a cassava around here. Cassava.
Okay. That road to the left would take us back to the main road.
Yeah, so we can...
And the one to the right will take us down by the seaside more.
This one here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm going to do and just see what we see. You know?
Oh, this one is big.
Hmm?
It's big. They had that they did some more to the back.
Yeah, oh yeah. Okay, now this is more like a cliff over here.
Huh.
Instead of the seaside. Now we're kind of on a cliff more.
Let's see. Let's see.
Boy, I'd love to drive up in there, but I think that's somebody's property.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm just sitting there looking out over the...
Hmm?
Somebody was sitting up in there looking out over the cliff, over the water.
Oh.
Let's just look like a good way to clear your mind, you know?
Yeah.
A good way to clear your mind.
Oh, they're so nice.
Now, that peach is too bright, and then the darker part is not the right color peach that I like.
I don't know.
I don't like that one, like I do some of them. Oh, there's the clouds back over there, or the not the clouds. I meant to say the mountains.
This is a church.
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
So it's Road. And there's a road there too, maybe.
Well, that's a pretty home. That orange one?
I don't know that.
Well, I know, but it's
Okay.
the niceness of it is what I mean, not the color. I shouldn't say.
Okay.
Just the niceness, like it's a new home, and there were some people sitting out there, like maybe it's a. Oh, look at that view!
Mm-hmm. People own that view. Oh, that's nice.
Little shop right here.
God. Why do you know so many
You know,
space around here?
when you go through Long Road, people, there's a long back road that you're missing out on.
Yeah. Those
Oh, look at that up
those
in there.
over there have a really good view of the
Mhm.
ocean.
Mm-hmm. I wish I'd have gone a little bit slower back there on that gate where I could see in, but it's okay.
Yeah. Well, they love to bury their dead in front of their yard.
Mhm,
That is-
mhm.
Yeah, that's how they do it in Portland. Big.
Oh, look at the view of the mountains
You
from
know?
here.
Yeah. Yeah. You see, I'm grass so near to the mountain. Yeah.
Wow.
And around here is high because
Mm-hmm.
it's like they're on top of the cliff.
Mm-hmm. They're on top of the cliff.
Yeah. Well, we are very near to the ocean.
Mm-hmm. Very
Go
near.
near that house. is-
Just on the top, on the other
yeah,
side of
that's
these.
right there. Yeah,
The cliff is on the other side of these.
Yeah.
Those whatever kind of plants.
Well, those things I think they are on the cliff.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're growing on the cliff.
That's
Yeah. Oh,
this
that's
is,
a big
I know
house.
this is a guest house.
It has to be. Look
yeah,
at the size
look
of
at
it.
Come like it into the ocean.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, let's try to find, and then
Wow, this place would be nice to come. It is
Mhm.
so.
let's see that little road down there was not even on the map. The one to the left,
Oh,
that's not even on the map. So
Mhm.
it looks like it goes somewhere though.
yeah.
Look at this thing. Look at me. How big it is.
I don't see the name of.
Maybe it's not opened up yet.
Are they do refurbishing?
Maybe. It's got a single car garage right in the middle there.
But wonder if maybe somebody else. I don't know.
It could be, but
It
there's
could
a
be-
door on each side.
It could be a family house.
It could be.
Oh, they're nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
really is cool over here. Really neat. Neato.
Yeah. Over this side is so near to the ocean. Over here so not so bad, but over
Mhm.
that side. Oh, the other side is far. Look how the ocean goes far.
Yeah, just right there.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, but a bad food tree right too.
Mm-hmm. And then there's like a hill over to the left here that somebody's building up on to look out.
yeah.
See that?
Yes, yeah.
I don't know if my cameras will catch
Maybe it's across the road, you know.
that. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we
It could
see-
be.
Yeah. Look over there. Yeah, big space over. The ocean is far, right?
Oh yeah. And then They have some benches there to just sit out and
Yeah, because-
look at the rocks and the water.
You see, like the people for that this house here.
Mhm.
You know, this is look like it's a guest house.
Mhm.
This place here. It's
I'll
two
bet.
houses. Two houses.
I'll bet there's several in here.
Yeah, private property.
Well, that looks like a private residence.
So it's not a guest house.
But there's two houses there,
Yeah.
so it surely must be what you say. Must be a guest house.
That house nice. That peach color in it. Look at the one over there.
Mm-hmm.
Is it nice?
Yeah, yeah. See, now that's the kind of peach I like. It's more,
Yeah.
it's more
Like
a beige peach,
Yeah.
more light, the light peach.
Where I said mini hardware and farm. So stores here too.
Yeah, I just have a little store out of the garage or something maybe. Yeah, see, look at the hill back to the left here.
Still in there. Pair of bad dogs.
They were bad dogs. I wonder what they did wrong. Huh? What did they do wrong? That they're bad dogs.
No, they are guard.
Oh, that kind of bad dog.
Guard dogs. So you look at me here, you're so care about condominium too.
Yeah, it is. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Turn it up, turn. One house way down it.
Oh, look at down in there.
Mm-hmm.
The new houses going in and everything. Mm.
Over there, that's a big house.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, big here, yeah, man. Road goes on and on.
So it's a nice road right here.
Good drainage.
Mm.
And this,
Oh yeah, the house you were talking about up here. Look at it. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. They have quite the view, you know. And this house, it's a simple house, but their view.
oh, yeah.
Yep, they've got $1 million view right there.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, look how there's like a bay up in over here with the.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it on the camera. People.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
No,
Oh,
I'm talking about the people on the
you know,
camera.
maybe they can't see it because the camera is high.
Well, and two, I have a pretty wide angle, so sometimes I'm surprised how much it picks up.
This house here have a good view too. This one here.
Oh yes. Oh yeah, look what they get to
Look.
see.
Whoa.
Wow, look at that.
Whoa. Gee.
My goodness. That's their view.
Yeah. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Nice view.
Yeah.
The live here so is you live in heaven and you go around the place.
Mm-hmm.
It's a big.
It's a big area.
Yeah. So I tell you all the time that sometimes some little turn off you would like to know if we're going to go, how
mhm.
far they go, you know?
Yeah.
This a big house.
Oh, look at this.
But no trespassing.
No trespassing. Looks like it hadn't been worked on in a long time.
Yeah, that's what happened. Sometimes the people die. You know.
Oh, what's that road to the left there?
You know.
It's just a neighborhood up in there. I want to go on that road.
You want to go look on then come back.
Yeah, let me go do that one real quick. Because it's a nice road, I think, isn't it?
You know, man.
I don't really see anything up in there, though. I think that's how you get to those houses that were up high. So we're just going to see the backside of them all. So I'm not going to go there today. I might wished I had, but right now I'm not going to. Zion Country, feel irie.
I'm just it's down like maybe a little bar or whatever inside.
It could be a little guest, a little guest house,
Yeah.
Airbnb type place.
Mhm.
You know,
Yeah.
a lot of people like places like just out of the way.
Private, yeah.
Yeah.
And they have a good view of the ocean.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh, you see it's
Yeah,
now.
they sure do. They sure do. Okay.
Oh, yeah, which one?
Yeah, this is where we
Oh,
come
yeah,
down.
yes, I know.
Then we go down. So
Oh,
we're going to go
so-
back down Long Road. So this is where, if you turn right, that's where you could go.
Oh, so I know this place now. This
Yeah, now you know where you're at.
Yeah.
But we're not going to go that way. Well, I'm going to go ahead and let me look at the time. I think I'm going to just take this road back.
If I see anything that I want to buy,
And I may stop it here because I think this is going to take more than...
if I see,
I'm going to have to do a second video for this
if I
location.
see something that I want to buy, I want to just stop.
And the whole time I thought I was going to be going to Rural Hill, and it turns out I was going to Long Road.
I sorry we don't have it on tape. 'Cause I sorry I don't have it on tape.
Okay.
I know.
Well, we'll just have to agree to disagree on what was said. And sometimes somebody will say the right thing, but like you were saying, I had it in my head
Because
from what you were talking before,
Yeah.
so that's what I heard, even though that's not what you said, So sometimes that's the way it goes. There's a little neighborhood up in there to drive through. Want to see what it's like. We might go up there later. We'll see. Maybe another drive. Go up there. It kind of goes up on the hill and. Long Road Baptist Church. This is what I like, the little shops and stuff.
you like little shops.
Yeah, that's the Danes Hill View Lounge. Danes Hill View Lounge. Huh. Well, we're pretty quiet today.
You stop 20.
Huh?
You stop. You don't stop yet. Yes.
No, I'm still recording. Yeah. I got everything working right today.
I'm just looking right.
Yeah. Sometimes there's just nothing to say, but look, I guess I could add a little background music sometimes.
May heard what this young
Huh?
studios.
You want to look at that? All right. Well, let's go ahead and wrap it up then.
Yeah.
So, Madge is going to go get some yam, but let me go ahead and wrap this up. So, viewers and subscribers, thanks for joining us on our drive through Long Road and taking the long road around, not the road through town. So, be sure and like, share, comment, subscribe, and big up yourself and bless up yourself and later and
Amen.
amen.